So this is the Padlock X by Double Lock. It's a combination dimple slider lock. All these dimple slider locks that I have picked have all been pretty fun and gave pretty good feedback, so I'm expecting about the same from this one. This is a number 4 multi-pick flag. Four, 3, 1, 2, 4 need another nudge. For love. And 3. So core rotations, though I think all the dimple pins are set. There was 4, and now the sliders, which looks like they're sprung, just raking them back and forth is a good way to test them, and actually set number 1 just doing that on this one. So there's 1, 2 is loose. 3 sliders. To 1. Still loose. Loose. Where's 3? One, 2. One of them must have fallen down a little bit, or just needs another little tap. There we go. So yeah, this one did not disappoint. Really good feedback. Fun pick. Just like all these dimple slider combo locks. So there was 4 dimple pins in here and 3 sprung sliders. I know there's more cuts on the key than that, but I only felt 4 pins and 3 sprung sliders. So that is the Double Lock Padlock X.